Nope, no citizenship unless you get married.
I'm an immigration lawyer, and I wanted to break down this conspiracy theory about Justin Bieber marrying Hailey Bieber in order to get his U.S. citizenship and avoid being deported. As some people may or may not know, Justin Bieber has had run-ins with the law, accruing charges like DUI, vandalism, and assault. Now, although it is true that non-citizens from the United States can be deported for committing and being convicted of crimes, there are still a few ways in which a person could still remain in the United States despite this kind of record. In the case of Justin Bieber, based on the news reports I've seen about him, he was actually a green card holder before he got married to Hailey Baldwin. According to this article by Vanity Fair, he had actually been living in the United States as a green card holder since the age of 13. If he committed crime while being a green card holder, and if those crimes made him deportable from the United States, he could still challenge his deportation by applying for something called cancellation of removal for permanent residence. And for something like that, you do not need to be married to a U.S. citizen in order to have that kind of case approved. Also, whenever a person has a green card in the United States, they can apply for U.S. citizenship on their own after having lived in the country for 5 years. You also have to show other requirements, but being married to a U.S. citizen, again, is not required. Even assuming Justin Bieber got his green card based on marriage to Hailey Baldwin, he could have still applied for U.S. citizenship without her, even if they were to get a divorce. All he'd have to do in that scenario is show that he entered into a good faith marriage with her and that they were living together for a period of time. Given how famous this couple is, they'd have no problem proving something like that. So in my opinion, as an immigration lawyer, this conspiracy theory makes absolutely no sense and really spreads misinformation about the immigration process. If you want to know more about immigration, feel free to follow us on Instagram and TikTok.